In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to reset Power Plan to default in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, we need to bring up our control panel. How we can do so? Here at the button search bar, please type for panel. Once you've typed it, a best match would appear. Please click on open to continue. In a few moments, you would be able to open up the control panel. If your view doesn't look like this, simply proceed with the upper right side of that. You can see the view by. Click on this down arrow key and go with large icons. Once set, you need to navigate to the locating for power options, which is in my case, it is being placed here at the fifth column next to keyboard. Click on it. The moment you click on it, you will be able to see the selected power plan. So all you need to do is you need to go with change plan settings, aligning or in accordance to the selected power plan. Meaning if you have selected balance, then go with change plan settings aligning to it. Or if you have selected high performance, then click on change plan settings or either power saver, do the same. Okay. So please click on this one. The moment you do it, you will be able to see two options, which are change advanced power settings and restore default settings for this plan. So in order to reset power plan to default settings, please click on this one and eventually it will ask you to confirm your action. So click on yes to restore all of the plan's default settings. In that way, you would be able to reset power plan to default settings here in your Windows 11. You can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.